Welcome back, web wizards. Today we are tackling something every website needs, but no one talks about. That's right, the side nav is like the introverted cousin of top navigation bar. It doesn't scream for attention, but when it's done right, it's the coolest feature in the room. By the end of this video, you will create a site nav, so click, even your browser will want to swipe right on it. So grab your HTML sprinkle in some CSS and let's slide into the world of site navigation like pros. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's talk about in the HTML what is the file path. So let's start and let's talk about it. Now, a file path describes the location of a file in a website's folder structure. File path example. This is one file path example it is showing me. In this example, I create one image in which I write Serik and I write here my image name. The picture.jpg file is located in the same folder as the current page. In this example, the picture.jpg is located in the same images folders in the current folder. In this example, the picture.jpg file is located in the image folder at the root of the current web. In this example, the picture.jpg file is located in the same folder, one level up from the current folder. HTML file paths. File path describe the location of a file in the website folder structure. File paths are used when you are linking to external files like web pages, images, style site, JavaScript. Means that when your file paths are used when you are linking to external files, like let me give you the example of it, like web pages, like images, like style sheets and JavaScript. Absolute file paths. And absolute file path is the full URL to the file. In this example, I give the one full URL to a file. Here you can see it. So let's run this example. So you only want to do it, come on to the Visual Studio Code, search here, first of all create a one file and give the file name, it should be index.html. Okay, do not give the file like this type of name, give this name. Okay, here I'm using the one full URL file path. So I'm come on my Unsplash and I'm picking up one image with a full URL. So I am saying AI. When I write AI, so the AI images has been came, and when I click on it, so the image has been came. So I am clicking on the copy image, and then the image will be, copy image address. So save and then run. So here you can see using the URL. Using a URL, there is a here I am using a full URL file path. Here you can see it, and there is coming very beautiful picture. You can see using the full URL, full path of URL, you can insert your image. If you want to learn about the IMG, means image tag, is explained in the chapter HTML images, and I have already made the video of it. Let me see that. Okay, let me see. Okay, by the mistake. Okay, let me see. I am thinking I have make it the video on it. So let's see it. So let's come on to here and then let me search here IMT. So no, I do not make a video of it. This is a very 1 year ago I have uploaded a video, so go and see it. But I will be upload the what is the IMG tag of it video. Just wait. The relative file paths. Relative file path points to a file relative to the current page. In the following example, the file path points to a file in the images folder located at the root of the current web page. In this example means that what we are doing here, I defining a images, means in my images folder there is one image. Let me show you one thing. Like if I create a one folder and my folder name is images, and you must know that where you create your HTML file, there is your folder. Okay, and my image is like this, my image, copy and paste. Now I want to insert this image, but this image is in my folder, and what I am doing, I am writing my picture name and dot jpg. Let's see the property of it. Now its property is jpg, so I write jpg. Now save it and then run it. So the picture is not coming. I am writing here AI guy. Okay, so picture is not coming. Why the picture has been not coming? Because the picture is in my folder and I do not mention here my folder name. So when I mention my folder name and then I write slash here, and then in my folder I write my picture name, then save it and run it. So my picture has been come AI full URL file path. Here you can see it. So like that, here you can say like that you can insert your image. Or here you can, there is one more examples of it. So here you can just using the relative file path you can insert your image. Okay, so write here images, and then write your picture name. First of all you write your folder name, and then you write your picture name, and then save it and run it. So your picture will become. Here you can see it. Here I am using the relative file path. So this is called the relative file path. I told you about the URL file path, absolute file paths. We talk about the absolute file paths and relative file paths. Okay, so let's talk about much more thing. In the following example, the file path points to a file in the images folder located in the current folder. Okay, this example I have already shown you, but you can do the example like this also, but it not give you the output. Please, many people, what you are doing, many website I see, it is adding this slash. Using this slash, your file, your picture will be not come. Do not add this slash. Only write this. Okay, then your picture will become. Do not add this slash, please. In the following example, the file path points to a file in the images folder located in the folder one level up from the current folder. Okay, means that one level up from the current folder, dot save and run. So the picture will be not coming because I did not create a many folders. Okay, I create only one folder. If I create a one folder, and then I create here two folder. So then when I save it and run it, so the picture will be not come. Okay, only want to do it simple form I am telling you. Only write this, and then your picture will become. Okay, copy, erase, and then paste. Okay, why picture has been not coming? Like, okay, this is my picture, where it is. Okay, it is. Copy and then paste. Come, save, and then run. So now here you can see it. This is called the relative file path. Best practice is it is the best practice to use relative file paths if possible. When you are using a relative file paths, your web pages will not be bound to your current base URL. All links will work on your own computer, localhost, as well as on your current public domain and your future public domains. So I hope you can enjoy this class. In today's video, we talk about in the HTML what is the file path. If you enjoy this video, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. And I'm going to have these type of videos of the full stack web development. And come on to the Google Chrome and search here my channel by the name of Code with PK. And then search here my channel, and when you come on it here, first of all subscribe. We are very near to 9,100 subscribers, so please complete it. And then come on to the playlist, and then you come on to the playlist, come on to the full stack web development from scratch playlist, and then come on here, and we successfully completed 90 videos of it, including this video also. Okay, now here you can see and bookmark my playlist and see my all the videos of it. Okay, so now anyways, now let me give the out of this video in the big screen. Why you are not seeing my videos? From the 1 week you are not seeing my videos. Why? Please go and see my all the videos. Okay, but anyways, let me meet you in the next class, and next video I'm making class like that type of videos. So now let me give the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's move toward onto the big screen, and let's give the outro of this beautiful video. So let's move to computer screen and let's give the outro this video. That's how you make a site navigation that slides smoother than butter on a hot pancake. Now, your website looking so good, even the internet jealous. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow coders. Let's keep the creativity following and do sidebars sliding. Until next time, stay awesome, stay coding, and remember, great websites are built one nav at a time. So peace out. So now for today, goodbye.